And then my one uncle who told me not to do this, when I walk in with him, they're like, what did you do? It's like, whoa, I was robbed. Look, someone told my wall.
Well, taking this part down doesn't matter.
Where are you going to put all this?
It doesn't matter if it's load bearing or not. It's just when you start taking these out.
Are you going to put all that in the back? You don't want that to get wet though. If that gets wet, it's going to weigh about 1,000,000 pounds.
It's going to cake up.
Yeah. 1,000,000 pounds.
It'll absorb the water and then just be.
Yeah.
My Aunt Irma was 1,000,000 pounds.
More mats?
That's going to take a pretty serious kick to break that.
Can I tell you, it's probably going to be, if you kick it side to side, it's going to move faster than if you kick it front to back.
I know.
Okay.
I need to but if I get one, then I can get in and start kicking all over.
But you can't kick the one next to it because it's got the electric attached to it.
Oh, I missed.
Wait, can't you, how about if you...
Whoa! Here comes the whole house.
Probably not going to do the top one, right?
No, you're okay.
I don't want to run the ceiling though.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
It's not, yeah, you're not at the ceiling yet.
I can't see it, so.
In the kitchen level, you're fine because the end's all there and there's no...
Here's a weapon for out the zombies. Right here. Oh yeah. Good.
You're actually
Matt.
Yeah.
You can kick this. I'll give you $100. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. You should still drive it.
And don't fall in the trash because that would hurt.
Yeah, thanks.
You want that off that piece of it?
He's giving Matt $100 to kick it. Here, Matt, let's see. That was so close.
No, it wasn't close. It hit me.
What hit you? Oh, in the shin? That hurts. That doesn't have a lot of fat in it. That was easy. That's how you do it, man. Do it. Look, so you grab right here.
What are you doing?
You got a kick up there.
You're going to end up in the hospital.
Somebody should. If we're doing this kind of work, somebody should end up in the hospital. It's only right.
Well, here we got nails sticking
What's
out.
the day?
Come on, I went for a bike ride and I ended up in the hospital. I'm tearing down walls and I'm okay. I'm gonna walk away from this one? I don't think so. We're going until somebody's hurt. I just gotta hit it up hard.
Yeah, you gotta hit it hard. Do you know what? I'm going to just make one recommendation, and that's going to be I'm going to move the tools right out of your way there.
You think I'm already good at this?
Come on, kick like a girl.
Oh, that was it. It's harder every time it's self-reflexing.
That might be the load bearing.
That's pretty impressive.
What?
Your ability to kick.
My kicking ability? I did karate.
Yeah.
Yep.
I bet Kim could have knocked the whole wall down by now.
That wasn't a good kick.